Here's the Amana. I'm going to do a temp check. Today has been the day of the Harrier. The AC at work broke. It's a brand new Lennox, should be Harrier. Stopped cooling, so we can't work tomorrow. It's supposed to get fixed tomorrow. Don't know what is wrong with it. Come home, go to have dinner. The oven doesn't work. The heating element quit. It's a GE from 2018. It's a Harrier. No wonder it quit. And then this stupid power box, there's a 15 amp where there should be a 20 and it doesn't work. And yeah, so that's got problems. So day of the Harrier. So I'm going to do a temp check of the Amana, something non-Harrier. Here's this nice R12AE. This thing, like, is not around. Okay, it looks like a message. Yeah, it comes from this side. It can be hard to temp check these since the evac is right on the range. Inside the condenser. You see. These don't really have coils, it's just tubing. As you can see, sweating. Notice with this temp, and when it jumps around, it's not reading right. It'll go back down. It does work though. Even though despite that it's hard to get a proper reading on this because of the gap. That's not right. Sounds about right. And this thing sounds nice. It's got its typical signature AE thud. See the fan spinning down back there. Gotta figure out what kind of fan motor is on this. I'm gonna just set this guy to about 2. Works good.